Embarking on a 30-day no-sugar challenge can have profound effects on both the body and mind. Here's an in-depth video at what happens during this transformative journey. Imagine starting off with withdrawal symptoms like headaches and mood swings, only to emerge with heightened energy levels, clearer skin, and a more stable mood. By the end of the month, you'll find that your taste buds have recalibrated, making natural foods taste sweeter and more satisfying. This journey not only reshapes your physical health, but also transforms your relationship with food, setting the stage for long-term wellness. Week 1. Initial adjustments and withdrawal symptoms. The first week of cutting out sugar is often the hardest. As your body begins to adjust to the absence of added sugars, you might experience withdrawal symptoms, such as headaches, fatigue, mood swings, and irritability. These symptoms occur because your body is used to the quick energy boost from sugar, and it now has to adapt to a more stable source of energy. Despite these initial challenges, staying hydrated and getting plenty of rest can help mitigate these symptoms. Some people also find that their cravings for sugar decrease significantly after the first few days, as their taste buds start to adapt to less sweet flavors. Additionally, understanding that these symptoms are temporary can provide the necessary motivation to push through this difficult phase. During this period, it can be helpful to find distractions or engage in activities that keep your mind off cravings, such as exercising or starting a new hobby. Week 2. Improved energy levels and mental clarity. By the second week, many people report a noticeable increase in energy levels and mental clarity. This is largely due to the stabilization of blood sugar levels. Without the constant spikes and crashes caused by sugar intake, your energy becomes more consistent throughout the day. This period often brings enhanced cognitive function, better focus, and a reduction in brain fog. Moreover, your body starts to rely more on fat for energy, which provides a steadier and more reliable energy source. This shift can also contribute to improved mood and a greater sense of overall well-being. As your body continues to adjust, you might also find that your sleep quality improves, leading to even more consistent energy levels. The reduction in sugar-induced inflammation can further enhance mental clarity and overall cognitive performance. Additionally, you might notice that tasks requiring concentration and attention become easier, and you may experience fewer mood swings and more emotional stability. Week 3. Physical changes and health benefits. During the third week, physical changes become more apparent. Weight loss is a common benefit, as eliminating sugar reduces overall calorie intake and minimizes insulin spikes that can lead to fat storage. Some individuals have reported losing significant amounts of body fat and inches from their waistline without making other drastic changes to their diet. Health improvements during this period also include better skin health, as sugar can contribute to inflammation and acne. Lowering sugar intake can lead to clearer, more radiant skin. Additionally, you may notice a reduction in joint pain and overall inflammation in the body, as sugar is known to exacerbate these conditions. These physical benefits not only enhance appearance, but also contribute to a greater sense of physical comfort and ease in daily activities. The improvement in cardiovascular markers, such as lower blood pressure and cholesterol levels, further underscores the health benefits of a sugar-free diet. Some participants also report better digestion and fewer gastrointestinal issues, which can be attributed to a diet that is more balanced and less processed. Week 4. Sustainable lifestyle changes. By the fourth week, the changes you've experienced begin to feel more permanent. Your body and mind have adapted to a lower sugar lifestyle, leading to sustained benefits such as enhanced cognitive function and stable energy levels. Many people find that their cravings for sugary foods diminish significantly, making it easier to maintain these healthy habits long-term. At this stage, improvements in cardiovascular health are also notable. Lowering sugar intake can lead to reduced blood pressure and cholesterol levels, contributing to overall heart health. The immune system also benefits, as a diet low in sugar supports better immune function and reduces the risk of infections and illnesses. Additionally, many individuals report feeling more in control of their dietary choices, leading to better adherence to healthy eating patterns. This newfound sense of control can extend to other areas of life, fostering a more disciplined and proactive approach to health and wellness. Sustainable changes in diet often lead to adopting other healthy habits, such as regular exercise and mindful eating practices, further enhancing overall well-being. Lifelong takeaways. The most significant takeaway from a 30-day no-sugar challenge is the realization of how pervasive sugar is in our diets and the profound impact it has on our health. Participants often report feeling more empowered in their food choices, experiencing stable moods, and achieving better productivity in their daily lives. These benefits make the effort of cutting out sugar worthwhile, encouraging many to continue these habits beyond the initial 30 days. Moreover, the challenge highlights the importance of reading food labels and being aware of hidden sugars in processed foods. This awareness can lead to more informed decisions and a greater emphasis on whole, unprocessed foods. The challenge also underscores the importance of sustainable lifestyle changes, rather than short-term diets, in achieving long-term health goals. By understanding the transformative effects of a sugar-free month, you can take significant steps towards improving your overall well-being. Many participants also discover a newfound appreciation for the natural flavors of foods, leading to a more enjoyable and satisfying eating experience. The challenge can also inspire a broader commitment to overall wellness, including mental and emotional health. Tips for success: plan your meals. Avoid accidental sugar intake by planning your meals ahead of time. This helps you stay on track and ensures balanced, nutritious meals. Meal planning can also prevent impulsive eating and the temptation to reach for convenient but sugary snacks. Consider preparing a weekly menu and grocery list to make shopping and meal preparation easier. Batch cooking and storing meals can save time and ensure you always have healthy options available. Find alternatives. Replace sugary snacks and drinks with healthier options like fresh fruits, nuts, yogurt without added sugars, and herbal teas. These alternatives can satisfy sweet cravings while providing essential nutrients and keeping you full longer. Experimenting with new recipes and flavors can make the transition more enjoyable and sustainable. For example, try making your own fruit-infused water or healthy homemade snacks to control the ingredients and avoid added sugars. Join a support group. Finding an accountability partner or joining an online community can provide encouragement and tips, making the challenge more manageable. Support from others can offer motivation, share experiences, and provide practical advice for overcoming challenges. Be mindful at restaurants. Eating out can be tricky, as many dishes contain hidden sugars. Don't hesitate to ask servers about ingredients or opt for cooking at home whenever possible. Being proactive about your dietary needs can help you stay compliant and avoid unintended sugar consumption. Learning to read nutrition labels and ask the right questions when dining out can make a significant difference. Consider looking up restaurant menus and nutrition information ahead of time to make informed choices. Document your journey. Keeping a journal of your experiences can help you track your progress, note changes in how you feel, and stay motivated. Documenting your journey can also provide insights into how your body responds to different foods and help you make better dietary choices in the future. Writing about your successes and challenges can be a therapeutic way to process your experience and stay focused on your goals. Regularly reviewing your journal entries can reinforce your commitment and highlight the positive changes you've made. That's all for today's video. Give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you won't miss any of my future health videos. Let's keep this journey going together because trust me, you won't want to miss the next challenge I tackle. Stay sweet without the sugar, and see you next time.